What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can set a reminder workflow in Slack. So what you're going to do is guys, just go to your Slack and you'll be having this as your home screen. So go to any of the channels and then on the message box type slash and then type remind and just read guys what it has instructed. So first you have to type slash then remind then channel or the person you have to remind, so that will be you. Then what you have to remind, then when you have to get reminded. So just choose this and then add the red, so it's me Jim, and then choose type what you have to get reminder. So for me it's workflow, and then give space and tell the time, so 9 p.m. and then just select the send. So now you can see I will remind you workflow at 9 p.m. tomorrow. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching our video guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So if you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.